equilibrium. The body is said to be in equilibrium if at a point net force acting on the body is zero. That we know very well. There are three types of equilibrium: stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. Okay, first we will discuss stable equilibrium. Here we know if you displace the ball toward the right side, it has the tendency to come back to the mean position. If you shift it to the left side, again it has tendency to come back to mean position. It means if we slightly displace the particle from the equilibrium position, it has a tendency to come back to the mean position. So this is the situation of the stable equilibrium. आप लोग ये भी सोच सकते हैं, in this situation the gravitational potential energy increasing as you are displacing the ball. So this is the situation of the stable equilibrium. Now, like this, potential energy curve for stable equilibrium. We all know very well the potential energy curve for the stable equilibrium is like this. That we know. Okay. Suppose you displace the particles toward the right side at this point, and let I say this displacement is plus x. This is the graph between the potential energy and displacement. We know force is given by minus du by dx, that is the force. At this point, if you draw the slope, I hope it is visible to all of you, the slope is acute. It means du by dx is positive. So f is given by minus and du by dx is positive. Minus plus is minus, so net force will act toward this negative side. It means we are displacing the particle toward the right side. It is coming back to the mean position. Similarly, you can think if you displace the particle in the left side. When you displace the particle in the left side, again we observe it that f is given by same formula, that is minus du by dx. अगर आप यहाँ पे एक स्लोप डालते हैं तो आई होप इट इज विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू, दिस स्लोप इज नेगेटिव बिकॉज थीटा इज ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू प्लस एक्स एंगल. It means what is the force? Force is going to be minus and slope is also minus, so minus minus is plus. It means this body has the tendency to come back to the mean position because force is getting the positive. It means either you shift toward the left side or right side, body is having towards the tendency to come back to the mean position. So this is the potential energy curve for the stable equilibrium. Now I will discuss regarding the unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium, all of you know, if you displace the body, it will never come back to the mean position. जिधर आप डिस्प्लेस करोगे बॉडी परमानेंटली उधर ही चली जाएगी. दैट यू नो वेरी वेल. सो आप ये जरूर चीज सोच सकते हो कि either you displace toward the right side or left side, gravitational potential energy decreasing, and when the gravitational potential energy is decreasing, body is not coming to the mean position. So this is the situation of the unstable equilibrium. So we have discussed the unstable equilibrium. This is the situation. Now what is the potential energy curve? Again, we all know the potential energy curve for the unstable equilibrium is like this. This is the graph between u and x. Now think, you are displacing the ball toward the right side. All of you will say this is a displacement x. Then again we will check the force. Force is given by minus du by dx. If we draw the slope here, I hope it is visible to all of you कि यहाँ पे slope कितना थीटा ऑब्ट्यूस होगा, slope negative हो गया. So f is given by minus and itself is minus, du by dx is negative, so minus minus is plus. It means this body is getting the force in the plus direction. It means it is not coming back to the mean position. Similarly, you displace the body toward the left hand side. Again you will check the same formula, f equal to minus du by dx. F is given by minus du by dx. If you draw the slope here, I hope it is quite visible to all of you. Theta is acute, the slope is positive. So minus plus is minus. It means again if you are displacing toward the left side, force is acting toward the negative side. It means body doesn't have the tendency to come back to the mean position. So this is regarding the unstable equilibrium potential energy curve. Then neutral equilibrium, all of you know. आप बॉडी को न्यूट्रल इक्विलिब्रियम मीन्स आप चाहे बॉडी को इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे यहाँ से यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दो, इट विल रिमेन देयर ओनली. यहाँ से यहाँ शिफ्ट कर दो, इट विल रिमेन हियर ओनली. So what is the important thing? Important thing is that if you displace the body towards the right or towards the left, it doesn't have the tendency to come back toward the mean position and does not go away from the mean position. It will remain there only. Okay. Or you can simply say here the gravitational potential energy will not change. Either you displace the ball toward the right side or you displace the ball toward the left side. Then similarly we can say, you should keep in your mind, this is the potential energy versus position graph. This situation is known as the unstable equilibrium. This is the stable equilibrium and this is the neutral equilibrium. So I hope the equilibrium word is very much clear to all of you.